Cash App has evolved beyond simple payments into a comprehensive platform offering multiple legitimate ways to earn free money through official programs and rewards. There are four primary legitimate ways to earn free money on Cash App. First, the referral program, where both you and a new user receive bonuses ranging from $5 to $15 when they sign up using your code. Second, Cash App Boosts provide instant discounts of 5 to 15% at participating merchants like coffee shops and restaurants, functioning as immediate cashback rewards. Third, the Cash App card offers cash back on purchases and access to special promotional offers for cardholders. Fourth, Bitcoin rewards allow you to earn Bitcoin back on purchases and receive educational rewards for learning about cryptocurrency. These earning methods are supported by Cash App's mobile interface, which provides easy access to all reward programs and tracking features. The Cash App card is a key component for maximizing rewards, offering both physical and digital options with integrated cashback features and boost activation. All Cash App reward programs require strict identity verification and comply with current financial regulations, ensuring legitimate and secure earning opportunities for users. To maximize your Cash App earnings, start with strategic referral sharing. Time your referrals during promotional periods when bonuses are higher and focus on sharing with family and friends first for the best success rate. Maximize your boosts by activating them before making planned purchases. Stack boosts with existing merchant promotions and focus on categories where you regularly spend money for consistent savings. Use your Cash App card for routine expenses to earn cashback rewards. Take advantage of Bitcoin back offers and roundup savings programs to maximize your earnings on everyday purchases. Take advantage of Bitcoin back offers during favorable market conditions. Cash App offers Bitcoin rewards on purchases and educational activities, providing another way to earn while learning about cryptocurrency. Stay informed about promotions through Cash App's official channels. Enable push notifications for limited-time offers and follow their social media for announcements about bonus periods and new features. Always use official Cash App channels and avoid third-party sites promising free money. Be aware that referral bonuses may be taxable income, so keep records for tax purposes. Review Cash App's terms of service regularly, as all bonuses are subject to their conditions. By following these strategies and staying vigilant about scams, you can safely maximize your Cash App earnings while protecting yourself from fraudulent schemes.